big breaking news that we are getting from Rajesh right now. The IG of NIA, Sonia Singh, she is going to be leading this probe for the NIA. She's arrived in Kolkata. In fact, the CEC has handed over the investigation, remember, of the Malda violence to the NIA yesterday. And it is going to be IG Sonia Singh who's going to be leading the probe. Let me go across to Hritika. Hritika, I believe IG Sonia Singh has already arrived in Kolkata. When do we expect her to officially take over the Malda case? Because, well, it appears to be that there is a trust deficit. Earlier it was between the EC and the state government. Now it is the Supreme Court and the state government as well.
Well, absolutely. You see that after yesterday, the notification has been passed by Ganesh Kumar. Now the case has been taken up by NIA, and already today morning we have seen that Sonia Singh, the IG, has already reached Kolkata as of now. And then also we get an understanding that a team of 24 officers along with the DIG is now going to reach Malda in time to take up this case, and then this case will be investigated out there. As yesterday Ganesh Kumar has already stated, now NIA is going to take up the case and investigation will be happening in the Malda ruckus. However, Bengal police today morning, since yesterday, has been making arrests in this case. Also today morning we have seen two arrests have been made from the Bagdogra airport, but the investigation now lies in the hands of the NIA. However, yesterday, even after the state had decided that CBI will take up the charge of investigation, but last night we see that it has been changed to NIA. Already the team has reached, the IG Sonia Singh has reached Kolkata this morning, and sooner in time we'll get an understanding as the team of 24 officers along with the DIG is going to reach Malda, and then the investigation will lead out in Malda.
Hritika, it's very interesting, and you've also pointed that out, that earlier it was supposed to go to the CBI. Then it was decided that perhaps they want a wider net to be thrown, which is why the NIA. You must explain to our viewers the significance of the difference between an NIA and a CBI probe. But before that, there are lots of political reactions which are coming in. A massive face-off has erupted. Listen in to some of those.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट की टिप्पणी से ममता बनर्जी को सीख लेनी चाहिए। ममता बनर्जी 15 साल के अपने शासन काल में केवल ध्रुवीकरण की राजनीति की है और जनता के सामने न गरीबी की बात करती, न बेरोजगारी की बात करती, न हिंसा की बात करती। तो सबसे बड़ा कांड हुआ, वहां शिक्षकों की बहाली पर नहीं बात करती। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो टिप्पणी की है, मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट से निवेदन करूंगा कि ममता बनर्जी के रहते वहां निष्पक्ष चुनाव नहीं हो सकता।
होनी ही चाहिए गिरफ्तारी। जिस तरह SIR में 7 न्यायिक पदाधिकारी जो न्यायालय के देखरेख में SIR का काम चल रहा है, उसमें जिस तरह हमला किया गया, रात में 11-12 बजे उनको निकाला गया किसी तरह, और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी ने शपथ लिया था कि हम बंगाल के हित में काम करेंगे, बंगाल वासियों के हित में काम करेंगे। लेकिन वो किनके हित में काम कर रही है? वह बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठिए रोहिंग्या के हित में काम कर रही है।
Well, with that, more breaking news which is coming in. Listen in to K. Jayaraman, the ADG of North Bengal. He's leveled charges against the former AIM Neta. What does he have to say? Listen in to the police version.
Right now, I'm joined by ADG North Bengal, K. Jayaraman. Sir, you are investigating the case of Malda violence till now. So, how many people have been arrested so far, and how many cases have been registered by your police?
So far, we have registered 19 cases, and we have arrested 35 people. So, in this main instigator, the Mafakurul Islam, he has been detained from Bagdogra. He was found instigating in the late night on 1st April. So we were, he is named in 3 of our cases of Kaliachak police station. So we were tracking him, and with the help of CID and Siliguri police, we could detain him from Bagdogra airport. We are bringing him to Malda. we'll produce him in the court.
Sir, what was the role of this advocate?
He was only instigating people. So, man, they are for gathering, and they are actually blocking the road, and they were, there was a fallout on the, attack on the judicial officers. So that is why we are blaming him for that.
Sir, was he the main conspirator or mastermind behind this violence?
That is part of investigation. He was one of the instigators, main instigator that we can say, but there may be other people that is.
Sir, did you have any prior information or any intelligence input regarding this that violence that it may occur, it can happen?
No, there was no such thing. This agitation is going on for last many days, but this was not violent. People are agitating, people are demanding, but there is a way.
Well, the Bengal, or to be specific, the Malda violence and the probe into it, the political links, it's all slowly coming out. That's going to be the top focus story here on Times Now. For the timing, a short break. We'll return in 2 minutes. Stay tuned.